Okay, so you can see, can't see. Okay, let's try uploading this. What we've got here, I added the enemy hit counter. I think we'll upload it here real quick. What we've got, oh, one more thing, I annotated. I added comments everywhere. I put comments everywhere, trying to explain exactly what's going on. If there's any questions, hope it makes a little bit more sense. And down here we added, it's doing that thing. Here we go. Now we've got it. So what you see here is each time there's a hit, our little counter goes down. It's getting shorter, it's getting shorter. It takes 10 good hits. There he goes. Here he goes, here he goes. Boom! Okay, so you saw a little bit of an explosion there. There needs to be, needs to like go over to a splash screen or something to show and give you the option to go to the next level or something if you want to go that far with it. But that's the point. Added the hit counter right there, you see it, and e-hit. There was another change I made that I wanted to talk about with the variables. Oh, it's not in this version. Okay, so we need to change all these X and Y's to ship X and Y, because that's not good just to have. I found where I was having, I want it to be more clear. So the X and Y should be changed to ship X and Y. Anyway, for some reason that didn't make it into this version on GitHub. But what we did is, when we're down here, and if the hit counter equals 0, so each time the hit counter, now what we were doing is, okay, on the display, drawing the little rectangles, I'm using Q is 0, and what we're doing for, we've got our hit counter, and we start our hit counter at 30, and we increment. If our hit counter is still 30, then at 0, 0, we'll draw a little tiny white triangle, and that's what you can see. Each one of these are little tiny white triangles. And yes, I bought a new camera. It's not even as good as this camera, so I'm really upset about that. I have to start doing all this on my phone or something. I don't know if I can use my, anyway, I'll quit ranting. So for Q, you increment it by 3 to move it so there's a little white space between each one of the rectangles, and because we're at 30, we're incrementing it by 3s, so that gives us 10 little rectangles. Okay, and then down here, hit counter, down here, every time the bullet hits, we check our collision. Every time the bullet hits, we decrement it by 3. Okay, and once our hit counter, so that way we get rid of the whole little triangle when we go back through our loop. All right, and if the hit counter, when the hit counter hits 0, then we're going to do all this. We're going to say the hit was true, and when the hit's true, remember we have our explosion. When the hit is true, then we have the explosion, and we move. Oh, we're centering the explosion here, and then we move the enemy off the screen, and we set it in a random location, and we reset our hit counter to 30. So then you saw that it goes back to displaying the full the full life. Okay, so that's as far as we are now, and that seems easy enough. This code is in GitHub, and enjoy.